In this video, we're going to make a fishing pole for our Oliver cat. So for this step, you need to go out on a nature hunt and find a little stick that's just about, not quite as tall as the cat, just the size that you want. You're going to take the fish that you've already sewn together, and you'll take a needle with thread that has not been knotted. So you want it to be threaded but not knotted, because we're just going to pull through. We'll push through right at the nose of the fish, the thread, and just pull one side of the thread through, so that one side is coming out the back of the fish and one side of the thread is coming out the front of the fish. And we'll take those two pieces together, see how the fish is hanging from them, and we will take our stick, and you can choose how long or short you want to make your fishing line. But wherever you choose to make it, you can tie a knot around that stick. Pull that tight. I'm going to make a double knot. See, and it hangs from the stick. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to clip that little thread, not too close to the knot or the knot might come undone. And there you have it. You've made yourself a little fishing pole for your cat. So he can pretend like he's going fishing.